and friends, Professor Calostus Juma.
Nede ya mathiko maoria wari murutani na muthomi wega thukuru-ini wa Harvard Calostus Juma gicigo-ini kia Budalangi, Busia.
Now I call upon
Andũ a ikĩro ngũrani arĩa nĩ hamwe na ateti magĩcakayana nyũmba ya Juma makĩmũtũgĩria ta ithaga rĩa bũrũri ona thĩ yothe rũhonge-inĩ rwa gĩthomo.
We pray to God to give the family strength to endure the loss. We pray to the same God to rest his soul in eternal peace. Wamechangia mambo makubwa sana kwa usomi, hawakuwa recognized. These are the people who deserve it. Wale wagidhei hizo zao zititambui, tunataka profesa apewe awadi yake hata katika kifo.
And the example of people like Calostus Juma walking to school on foot and walking to where he reached at MIT tells us that this can be a defining moment for us to change the trajectory of our country.
That Professor Calostus Juma believed in the ability of every student to make a difference in this world.
Ateti kuma ngwataniro ya NASA makionekana gwikinyia mathiko-ini maya na njira nene kuona ona Raila Odinga ni egwikinyitie. Guku uteti wa kuhitithio uharika kuhagikwo.
Wizi ndio adui wa Kenya kubwa zaidi. Na kila mahali siku hizi nikienda, Wakenya wananifuata. Wananiita baba. Baba wali wa wei. Wala was away I was Juma. Nilikuwa na Juma. Na kila mahali wanataka kunifalimia Biblia. Ninasema mambo ya Biblia itakuja siku nyingine.
Busia people, we are ready to accord you that honor. Hapa Busia stadium kesho asubuhi. If you are ready, we are ready.
We in NASA say it is not over until it is over. Because until and unless we stand together and walk the talk, this country will continue with the philosophy of let's accept and move on.
Ndeto ino ikionekana gukindĩrwo nĩ nyanake iria igwĩkinyĩtie igongona-inĩ rĩrĩ makĩenda kwĩhĩtithia Odinga kĩa hinya. No na gũkĩrĩ ũguo Odinga nĩ amahoire makirĩrĩrie akiuga mĩbango ya kwĩhĩtithio no ĩrathagathagwo.
Now I call upon quickly Martin Maya, if you're around, because the priest is almost here. African Center for Technology Studies, Mr. Maya, if you're around.
Ningependa tu kuambia Kenya ati ziara yetu ya kwenda Canaan is on course.
Ihinda-inĩ o rĩu ateti Musalia Mudavadi na mũrunawe kuma gĩcigo gĩkĩ kĩa rũgũrũ rwa bũrũri nĩ maririkanirie mũingĩ atĩ ngwatanĩro ya NASA ndĩrathingitha ona thengia wa njũkanĩrĩro ciĩgiĩ kamĩtĩ cia mbunge. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.